In this video, we're going to look at text functions, starting with concatenate, which is a function that joins strings together, with a string just being some text. So if we want to join, for instance, the contents of these two cells, we simply start typing equals concatenate, and you can see it there. And it just has text 1, text 2, etc. separated by commas. So you can select B1, comma, B2, and that should give us, in this case, South Africa joined together. Because we didn't add a space, there's no space there, so we could edit the formula and add our space in between just by having double inverted commas and a space. And there it looks a lot more normal. As you saw when we were typing in the concatenate function, there's also a function called concat, which I believe is a newer version of the function, and that does exactly the same thing. So we can select our text and put in a space there, and you could put in any text that you want, and you'll get an update like that. Another way to join cells or text together is to use the AND symbol. So we say equals B1, B3, and a space, and then C3, then it will do the same thing. So there's 3 different options for joining text together, all variations kind of concatenate. You can also do it with numbers. All it will do is join together these two, for instance, to create a number, but you'll notice because it's on the left it's not really a number, but it looks like a number in this case. Then we've got a few other functions, as you can see here. There's len, which is short for length, which gives us the number of characters in a string or piece of text. In this case you can see it's 5, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters in the word south. Upper will convert everything to uppercase. So if we select that word, then it just produces an uppercase version of it. And if we do lower, it gives us the lowercase version. So we'll do it on this one, and it just converted the A to lowercase. The left function gives us the leftmost characters and the number that we specify. So if we have equals left and we have the word south, and then we tell it how many characters we want, and let's say we want the first 3, then it will give us SOU, which is the first 3 letters starting at the left. If we use equals right, it gives us the rightmost characters, and let's say we want 3 as well, and so we get the last 3 letters of that string. If we change what the string is, then it will change what is in produced by the formula. Mid gives us the middle characters starting from whatever points we specify. So let's say we have again this word south, and we'll start at point character 2, and we want 3 characters after that. So starts at number 2, which is O, and then it gives us 1, 2, 3 characters to give us the letters or word out. The find function gives us the starting point of the specified character, so equals find, and we want to find the letter U, and the text that we want to find it in is in B11, and we're going to start at point 1. It's worth noting that the find function will work without the start num, which is fine. So you can simply have the characters that you're looking for and then the string that you want to look inside, and then it still gives us the correct answer there. Finally, the value function converts a text string representing a number to an actual number. So it doesn't work on normal text, as you can see. However, it does work when we've got numbers inside a text string. So this 0016 is actually this number 16. Of course, it also works on dates, such as this one here, because in Excel dates are represented by numbers. And similarly, it should work on this +27 that we've got here. It should simply give us 27.